Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you.
Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am super excited today. This is another episode for the Wickedly Crafted series. This is a year-long collaboration, and this collaboration is for crafters that love Halloween crafting. This collab is hosted by Robin Pitts here on YouTube. And also, this month of August is very, very special because we have a sponsor. Our sponsor is Miss Kate Cuttables online store. Miss Kate Cuttable, if you're not familiar, offers a broad range of beautiful printed and digital paper collections, ephemera, and specialty kits for journaling and scrapbooking. And also, she is offering a 30% off all her items on the website. You must use the discount code Wickedly30 to get 30% off your item when you shop. The discount code is good from August the 4th through August the 31st, 2026 at midnight. Correction, the date is August the 4th through October 31st. That coupon code is Wickedly30. Also, there is a giveaway. So this is very, very special, you guys. Miss Kate Cuttable has sponsored a $100 gift certificate to one lucky winner. To enter in this giveaway, you must be a U.S. resident. You must like, comment, and subscribe to everyone that is participating in this collaboration. Make sure you check down in the description box below to see everyone that is participating. Make sure you leave a comment, enter me in the Wickedly Crafted series on everybody's channel, okay? So make sure you comment that so that you can be entered. And the giveaway closes on August the 12th. A winner will be announced on Robin's channel on August the 14th, 2026. Also, another special thing for the month of August, everyone in the collaboration is using a paper collection from Miss Kate Cuttables. And I decided to use Spooky Vibes for my project today. So let me share with you the paper I use, the collection, and the products that I use. And here is the paper collection, Spooky Vibes. Look how cute, you guys. So if you look here, these are all the printed papers in this collection, and it also comes with a sticker set, and I'll share that with you here in a second. But just look at this paper, you guys. So pretty. I love the color combo. So this will be an awesome one to pick up for your Halloween crafting. Here is the sticker sheet that's included. How cute. I didn't use any of the stickers. However, I did use the ephemera. I used two papers from this stack. I used this paper right here, the printed one with the boo on it and the ghost. And I also used this paper right here with the stripes. I also used the Spooky Vibes printed smooth cardstock. And I used the light purple as well as the orange. And here is the ephemera that I use from Spooky Vibes collection. And this is called the 3D picnic basket. So here are the dies to this set. This was really, really fun to play with, and I enjoyed putting it together. It was really easy. And I also used the basket weave embossing folder with this. My project turned out so cute, you guys. So let me share with you. I created two of the 3D picnic baskets. And let me share the first one with you. And here is the first one. You guys, look how cute. This is so cute, you guys. I love how it turned out. So dainty, so cute. Now you can see the ephemera here. I wanted to use the spooky vibes to showcase the paper collection that I used. And what I did, I just layered up the ephemera, you guys. Nothing else was used here, just only the ephemera. For the handle, I wanted to bring in some bows. You guys know I love my bows. And I added this cute lollipop cabochon right there in the center to bring everything together. And then here is the top of the basket. And I added the printed paper here. And then here's the fun part. It opens just like a cute little picnic basket. Look how cute! I love that. It opens on both sides, you guys. The space in here is fairly large to add some really cute goodies inside. And here is the back. Isn't this cute? You can really see the basket weave pattern here on the back. And I also included the embossing on the side and then the embossing on here too. And then check out the scallop feature for the top of the picnic basket. Isn't this cute, you guys? Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. And so let me share with you the second one I made. This one I went with the orange. Isn't that cute? And then I used the ephemera and just layered up the ephemera there on the front. I went with the stripe designer paper on the top. This is so cute. I just love how it opens. OMG, right? And then here's the back of it. And you can see the embossing a lot better on the back, on the side, and then on this side. I can't wait to fill these up and put some goodies in it for Halloween. And that is my share for you guys today. Make sure you check out the other ladies. You will visit Michelle Randolph next after you leave my channel. And thank you so much for stopping by. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.